Vertical garden, an innovative concept. Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, an innovative and eco-friendly concept that will change the way we look at gardening. In this exciting video, we'll take you on a journey through the fascinating world of vertical gardens, where plants grow upwards, defying traditional norms of gardening. Discover how these stunning green walls and vertical plant installations are revolutionizing urban landscapes, interior spaces, and even small balconies. Benefits of vertical gardens. Space saving. Vertical gardens allow us to maximize limited space and bring nature into even the smallest of environments. Improved air quality. Plants are natural air purifiers, and vertical gardens help cleanse the air in densely populated urban areas. Aesthetic appeal. Elevate your surroundings with the beauty of lush greenery, creating a calming and soothing ambience. Biodiversity boost. Vertical gardens attract various species of birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects, promoting biodiversity in cities. Temperature regulation. These green walls help cool down buildings and reduce the urban heat island effect, combating climate change impacts. Join us as we explore the different types of vertical garden systems, from hydroponics to living walls, and learn how to create your own vertical garden at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this video will inspire and equip you with the knowledge to embark on your very own green adventure. Don't miss out on the chance to witness the future of gardening and sustainable living. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and be part of the green revolution.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take